Masturbation, the act of sexually stimulating oneself to achieve sexual pleasure and orgasm, is a common and normal aspect of human sexuality. While it is a private and personal choice, there are several potential benefits associated with male masturbation that we are going to discuss in this video. Stress reduction. Masturbation can help reduce stress and promote relaxation. The release of endorphins during orgasm can lead to a feeling of well-being and stress relief. Improved sleep. Some individuals find that masturbating before bedtime can aid in falling asleep more easily. This is often attributed to the relaxation and sense of calm that follows orgasm. Pain relief. Masturbation and orgasm can temporarily alleviate certain types of pain, such as headaches or menstrual cramps, due to the release of endorphins and the relaxation of muscle tension. Improved sexual function. Regular masturbation can help men become more familiar with their bodies and their sexual responses. This can lead to increased sexual confidence and a better understanding of one's own sexual preferences and desires. Prostate health. Some studies suggest that regular ejaculation, whether through sexual activity or masturbation, may have potential health benefits for the prostate gland. It is thought to help flush out potentially harmful substances from the prostate, reducing the risk of certain prostate issues, such as prostatitis or benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Improved sexual performance. Masturbation can help men practice self-control and learn to delay orgasm, which can potentially lead to improved sexual endurance and performance during partnered sexual activity. Elevated mood. Masturbation can lead to an increase in mood-enhancing hormones like dopamine and oxytocin, potentially helping to combat feelings of depression or anxiety. Pleasure and sexual satisfaction. Ultimately, one of the primary benefits of masturbation is sexual pleasure and satisfaction. It allows individuals to explore their own bodies, desires, and fantasies, leading to a fulfilling and enjoyable sexual experience. It's important to note that while masturbation offers these potential benefits, it is a personal choice, and there is no right or wrong frequency or method. What is most important is that it aligns with an individual's comfort, preferences, and values. Masturbation is considered a normal and healthy part of human sexuality when practiced in a private and consensual manner.